that stuff is set properly. You know, unfortunately, it's only for Windows users.
What?
It only runs on Windows. It doesn't run on Mac.
Well, I'm a Mac person.
I'm George, and I'm a PC user.
I'm Marnie, and I'm a Mac user.
And we're incompatible.
Great.